Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. Nishant Srivastav from Technocrate Institute of Nursing. Today's we learn about physiology of bone formation. It is a part of a skeleton system. So let's start. So as you know about the bone, our body is made up by the bone. It is a basic structure. So how the bone form? So bone formation process is also known as ossification process. So bone formation or ossification creates bone tissue from mesenchymal cell primarily through intramembranous ossification direct from membranes of for flat bones like the skull and endochondral ossification replacing a cartilage model for long bones. Both involve osteoblasts building a matrix, osteoids, that hardens with mineral calcification, while osteoclasts break down old bones, allowing for continuous remolding and growth throughout life. So, key type of ossification. So, intramembranous ossification. It forms flat bones, skull, and clavicle. Mesenchymal cells cluster and differentiate into osteoblasts. Then osteoblasts secretes osteoids, it means collagen matrix, minerals like calcium salt are deposited and hardening the matrix. Then bone grows outward from ossification center. So this is the process including next endochondral ossification form most other bones like long bones. A hyaline cartilage model forms first, acting as a template. A bone collar form around the cartilage, then blood vessels invades, bringing osteoblasts. Cartilage cells die and osteoblasts replace the cartilage with bone, starting at primary ossification center. So this is the hardening process of the bone. This process continues at the epiphyseal plate, growth plate for length, and by secondary center at the ends, means epiphysis. So which cells are involved in this ossification? So first cell is osteoblast cells, bone building cells that secrete the organic matrix. So first cell is osteoblast. Another one is osteoclast, bone resorbing cells that break down old bones. Then chondrocytes, cartilage cells that form the template for endochondral bone. So continuous bone process is bone remodeling. Bone remodeling. After formation, bone is constantly broken down, resorption by osteoclasts, and rebuilt, formation of osteoblasts to adapt to stress, repair damage, and maintain mineral balance. So this is the complete process of bone formation. How many cells are involved in bone formation? What is the process of bone formation? So this is the complete information of bone formation. Thank you.